You want to break into IT but don't have a technical background? If so, I have an idea.
Oh, this ought to be good.
No, really, what you should do is learn ServiceNow. Follow my logic here. ServiceNow is a technical platform that was created by this guy, Fred Luddy, to solve a universally common IT problem. Working with computers and IT people to solve business problems was frustrating. It was expensive. It was exhausting.
Stupid computer just screwed up all my columns.
Oh, it's a computer that's stupid, not you, right?
Fred Luddy saw IT people making professional business people feel small and unintelligent. So he developed a technical platform with a set of tools that allowed less technical people to solve business problems on their own, sometimes without even having to involve IT. And that's what ServiceNow is. And in doing so, he also created opportunities for less technical people to jump into IT and help businesses use ServiceNow to solve business problems. And that, my friends, is where you and I come in. My name is Jeff Teese, and I've been a software developer and technical architect for over 30 years. And when I started my IT career, working with computers was way different. There was no pointing and clicking or dragging and dropping. If you wanted a computer to do something, you had to enter in detailed, nonsensical commands in languages like COBOL, Fortran, or BASIC, or C. To be a computer programmer, you had to go to college or tech school for years just to learn a computer language that would soon be replaced by a different computer language.
Whatever happened to the good old days?
Fortunately, IT has evolved and improved and simplified. ServiceNow is leading the charge in this evolution. Let me show you how. ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform designed to make solving business problems with IT simple and efficient. It consists of three main components: a database, a suite of business applications, and a development environment. Being cloud-based means that companies don't have to worry about installing and maintaining or upgrading hardware and software. ServiceNow handles all of that. You just log in, you start working. Let's look at each of these real quick, starting with the business apps. ServiceNow comes with hundreds of built-in business applications, similar to the apps on your smartphone, except designed to manage business processes that are common in mid to large-sized companies. So things like incident management, problem management, change management, the CMDB and configuration management, asset management, and much more. It's sort of like ServiceNow went out and visited hundreds of the most successful companies, and they analyzed what they were doing with IT, how they were using hardware and software to solve problems, create value. And then they took what they learned and they implemented those capabilities as applications on the ServiceNow platform. That's what these are. Look at them all, hundreds of them, each designed using best practices and lessons learned to deliver services that solve business problems and make work more efficient. Oh, and if an app doesn't already exist, businesses can visit the ServiceNow store to find additional applications for purchase and download and installation. One of ServiceNow's biggest advantages is that it comes with a single enterprise-wide database. Instead of separate databases for each application, like you see in most companies, ServiceNow provides a centralized database where all the business applications share data. This eliminates data duplication, reduces maintenance costs, and simplifies data management. The platform includes low-code, no-code tools that make working with the database simpler. So you can very easily view all of the tables, or open one, see its columns, and the type of data that's being stored. You can view the records. You can open a schema map and view all the relationships that it has to other tables. And as we'll see in a moment, you can make changes to a table. You can add fields, even create entirely new custom tables. And ServiceNow is not just an IT tool, it's a full-fledged development platform where you can build new applications with low-code, no-code tools like App Engine Studio. You can design workflows with Flow Designer and Workflow Studio. You can create new database tables with the Table Builder. You can customize UI pages with visual tools for lists and forms and reports, dashboards, and much more. You can even write custom code using JavaScript. This means that if you want to become a software developer and you don't have a whole lot of prior IT experience, with ServiceNow, I think you can do it.
We can do this. Say we can do this.
We can do this. So if I were just starting out on my IT journey, here's what I'd do. I got 4 steps for you. Step 1, explore some more. Hop onto YouTube or Google and research ServiceNow. Learn more about what it does and how it works, the job opportunities that are available, and the salary ranges. You've heard my opinion, now get some others. And check out the ServiceNow website and the Now Learning portal and their community resources and documentation. Step 2, get and try your PDI. Join the ServiceNow Developer Program and get your Personal Developer Instance, or PDI. PDIs are full-functioning, standalone ServiceNow instances provided for free, and they allow you to test and prototype and learn without affecting a live system. You can sign up at developer.servicenow.com. Oh, and I've published a video that walks through the process of requesting and accessing a PDI on the NuGet YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/@NuGet. Oh, and by the way, it's pronounced NuGet, as in NuGet.
Nougat, please.
Step 3, master the fundamentals. In step 3, it's time to knuckle down and learn the basics of ServiceNow through structured lessons. Here are a few options. Check out Now Learning, which is a training portal offered by ServiceNow themselves. Some of it's free and some of it's paid, and I'd recommend searching for courses and learning paths focused on the fundamentals. Anything that mentions preparation for the CSA certification, which I'll tell you more about in a second. You can also check out my CSA Masterclass and Prep Hub, which I created to help you learn the fundamentals of ServiceNow and prepare for and pass the CSA certification exam. So what I did was I completed all of the Now Learning courses myself. Then I took really good notes. Then I created my own courses with a focus on keeping things as simple as possible, providing additional context. So I essentially did for the training what Fred Luddy did for the platform. Deliver it in a way that's more accessible and targeted to an audience that might come from a less technical background. It includes technical training, study guides, and sample questions, and a supportive community. Oh, and I also included all those notes that I took as I went through the Now Learning courses. So if you're interested in looking at that, hit the link here, or look in the description box of the video for more info. Step 4, get certified. ServiceNow certifications are crucial in this field. They prove your expertise and they improve your job prospects. And ServiceNow offers several different certifications to choose from, but the first one that you need to get is the Certified System Administrator, or CSA certification. It's by far the most sought after certification, and it's the prerequisite for all of the other certifications that ServiceNow offers. So when you're ready, register to take the CSA certification exam either at a testing center or through an online proctored environment. You can check out Now Learning for more details on the cost and requirements of getting registered. ServiceNow provides an amazing opportunity for anyone, technical or not technical, to break into IT. And if you're willing to put in the work, you can build a high-paying career with no coding experience required. You want to get started? Subscribe to NuGet on YouTube and check out my CSA Masterclass and Prep Hub. You'll find everything you need there to learn the fundamentals of ServiceNow, get your CSA certification, and hopefully land your first ServiceNow job. Thanks for watching this video. Oh, and spread the word. Remember, it's pronounced NuGet, as in NuGet.
Nougat, please.